Hey there, it's your jam girl Mackenzie here. I just want to take a few moments to talk to you ladies about how I came to know and love the products of Jamberry. Well, I was always the type of girl who you would hardly ever see a manicure on. That's because it was smelly, it was messy, I would get paint all over myself, paint all over the sink, and also they would smudge right after doing them. I'd get frustrated, take it off, do it again. And then if I did have a successful manicure, I would always chip them, break them, damage them somehow within a couple of days. And for me, it just felt like a waste of time to do my nails. And I loved the look of manicured nails, I loved the feel of manicured nails, but I just never felt like it was something that I could achieve on my own at home and it actually looked good and also last. And enter Jamberry. I found the Jamberry products through a friend and I love them. I'm the type of girl who loves doing her nails now, who you will always see some type of manicure on. They are easy to use, there's no smell, there's no smudging, there's no damage, there's no chipping or breaking as there are with, normal nails. And I can tell you many stories of all the wear and tear and things that my jams have held up to, especially here in recent weeks. And they still are going strong. They're a great value. They come to about $3 per manicure, which is awesome. So I can't wait to share this product with you ladies. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. I know it can be a little overwhelming at first, but I promise you'll get the hang of it and they'll be so easy to use and you'll be so happy with your nails. Thank you for watching and I'll see you ladies soon.